Hi there, it's pressurewasher.com. We're doing a quick unboxing here of the SIMPSON MegaShot. This is our most often recommended gas pressure washer, our best rating, primarily because we really like the Honda engine here that it has, and then just the durability and the ease of use with these nice wheel barrel style wheels makes it very easy to move this thing around. So just in terms of the setup so far, as I took it out of the box, removed the packing materials, the handle does need to be installed. It only takes a little bit of work here. It comes with a few bolts that are quickly installed here on both sides. And then in terms of the rest of the setup on this, we're going to put some gas in. We're going to put it up, fill it up with some oil. It does come with some included pint of oil here, so we'll fill that up. You can see it's got a hose already. We've got the pressure washing wand over here, some different nozzles that we'll talk about later. It does have here a line for feeding from a soap dispenser, but this does not come out of the box with the soap dispenser. That is something that you'll need to add on. So we'll talk about different options for that at a later date. So again, fairly straightforward, easy setup guide. Everything's right here out of the box. Probably took about 3 or 4 minutes to unpack it, a couple more minutes to put the handle on, and we're sitting here about to fire it up. Okay, we're continuing our setup here. So we went ahead and now connected the hose. We connected the high pressure hose. We have the gun and wand set up here. Again, this is all pretty easy to set up. It also comes with 5 different attachments from 0 degrees all the way to soap. We're going to pick 25 to start here. We're going to go ahead and crank this up live in person. So the first thing here is it gives you some pretty clear instructions. You want to go ahead and turn the choke, turn the engine on. You're going to go ahead and pull out the choke, and now we're going to give it a start here. Alright, so we got the MegaShot set up, we've used it a couple times, and now we're going to try to conquer a pretty dirty deck. It's definitely got some various algae and stuff that's caught up here. So we're going to give it a shot with we started to do a couple stones over here, and you can see that it definitely is cleaning things up nicely. There's still some remaining residue there. We're going to clean a few minutes with just the standard attachment, and then we're going to try some other options in terms of ways to maybe do this a little faster. So stay with us.